Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz651 on Models. Did you know that Airfix released a range of kits that was 1 to 100 scale? They were pre-painted and they were almost snap kits. Well, I have one in my stash here. Actually, I've got 4 different ones, but this is one I'm going to show you now. This was released back in 2000 and I think it's quite a rare kit. So a little bit of history of the kit itself. They're actually made by a company called Doyusha, and they made a range of 1 to 100 scale model kits. But they were pre-painted, and Airfix released them around the noughties. I think it was like 2008, 2009, so they're saying. But I've never seen anyone talk about them or or mention them. And I've got a couple in my stash that I've acquired over the years, and I thought, why don't I have a look inside and see what you get? Show you all what you get inside the kit. And maybe sometime in the future I'll build these up, because they actually are quite nice looking. So I'll open the side of the box, okay, and inside, that's it, empty box. Just quickly, there was other ones, there was the whole collection. You could have done the 253rd flying group or the 265. This is Mitsubishi Zero, by the way. And then, they had all different versions of the plane, because they are basically pre-painted and they don't take a lot of glue in to put together. As you can see, there's not many. There's 6 steps on the back. This isn't instructions, this is just safety notes. The instructions are on the back, and you do get a flying hour with them as well. Price on them, I think they were £5.99. There's another one here, that's the Thunderbolt, that's £5.99. So £6 each back in 2008, 2009. And yeah, and this is what they are. And it would be funny if they could get them released again, because I think they're quite nice. This one here is the Mitsubishi, which one does it say on there? This one is the Akai fighter group. There you go. So it does come with its own little stand. This is the and they put this, that's a sticker on top, so they must have just grabbed the box and stickered it on, because I thought it would look like that, but it's not, it's this one. Anyways, let's have a look inside the sealed box. They're sealed either end, so let's just go through here and let's open them and just see. There you are, all pre-painted. So all you have to do is glue them together. And then maybe weather them. But I suppose you need to, because I suppose these will be, you will need to weather these. But look how tiny they are. Tiny. 1 to 100 scale, this one. Alright, so look at that. It's quite neat, isn't it? Maybe I'll build one over Christmas. I'll tell you what, Christmas Day or something, if I've got time, I'll do a live and we'll build one and see what they're like. Something easy to do, isn't it? So basically all the work's done for you. See that? Marvelous. And then a little canopy there. I won't take it out of the bag, but even the canopy, no need for mask in this. It's a cute little kit, very cute. Also inside it does come with it comes with a stand, and also you get a tube of toothpaste. That's what you get with it. Yeah, you get your toothpaste glue, which is Humbrol. Actually, it feels quite soft, so it might be okay. So yeah, that's really what you get. I think it's a really nice idea. I'm just seeing if it's got the manufacturer on it. It just says, yeah, 1 to 100, 0 type 21, that one. So it's just a nice little kit to build if you fancy it. As I said, I'm not a fan of 1 to 44 scale kits. I kind of shy away, but if it's already pre-painted, what a nice little kit to build. Is this going to go back in the bag? That's the question. There it goes. You slide them in nicely. Oh, looks like you get 2 props there, doesn't it? Nice little silver prop. Nice little silver prop. And the figure's painted as well. So put that back in there. Put that back in there. And then put that back in there. And there you are. That was a little quick video for the Airfix mini kit 1 to 100 scale Mitsubishi Zero. I'll be doing some more of these soon. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell to be notified on any new videos if you select all. And to remember to subscribe to this channel is completely free. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.